In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your trades by closing a position on the TradingView app directly from your mobile device. Let's dive in and make sure you can effectively handle your open trades with ease. First, grab your mobile device and open the TradingView app. You'll need to be logged in to access your trade information. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so now. Simply enter your credentials and you'll be taken to your dashboard where all the action happens. Once you're logged in, navigate to the trading panel. Now, depending on the version of the app or your specific settings, you'll want to look for either the trading tab or the positions tab located at the bottom of your screen. The name may vary slightly, so don't worry if it's not exactly the same for everyone. Tap on that tab to access a comprehensive view of your trading activities. Here, you'll find a list of your current open trades. It's a handy overview of what's currently happening in your trading portfolio. Take a moment to scan your trades and locate the position you're interested in closing. This list is dynamic, so it updates to reflect your real-time trading status. When you've pinpointed the trade you'd like to close, tap on it to open the position details. The details page typically provides an in-depth look at the specifics of this trade, including crucial metrics you might want to double-check before proceeding. As you review the position details, look for the Close button. Depending on the app's latest interface design, you might find this button near the bottom or the top of the screen. This button is your gateway to closing the position, so once you've located it, you'll want to tap it. This action signals the app that you're ready to exit the trade right away. Before the closure is finalized, you might see a prompt asking for your confirmation. This step is crucial because it provides you with an opportunity to ensure that you are indeed ready to close out the position. Carefully review the confirmation prompt and, if everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm the closure. At this point, your position should be successfully closed at the current market price. And there you have it. You've just closed a trading position using the TradingView app on your mobile device, effectively managing your trades on the go, whether you're an active day trader or someone who just manages their investments occasionally. Knowing how to close a position quickly and efficiently is an invaluable skill. Thanks for tuning in and happy trading.